All right, those are the live visuals we're getting from the capital city of Ethiopia. This is where Prime Minister is interacting with the officials, and just a while ago, in fact, he was laying a wreath at the ADWA monument. You can see the Prime Minister, in fact, now interacting with the officials at the museum. This comes as a part of his three-nation tour. And currently, our Prime Minister in the capital city of Ethiopia. This is where he's seen interacting with the officials as he takes a tour of the museum right now. Visuals are showing you the interaction as well as the tour. Prime Minister is currently taking off the monument. We're getting you live visuals, in fact, of Prime Minister Modi's interaction currently underway from the capital city of Ethiopia. All right, remember this comes as a part of his three-nation tour. Right now, Prime Minister Modi visiting the ADWA monument and a museum in Addis Ababa. That's the capital city of Ethiopia. Now, this monument, in fact, is a modern significant cultural complex which honors the 1896 battle. This is where Ethiopian forces, in fact, defeated Italian invaders, securing Africa's resistance to colonialism and symbolizing a national pride. Remember, Africa and India, they have been together in their struggle against colonialism. So this comes, of course, as a major part of the ties between the two countries. It is the Adwa Museum, which is Prime Minister Modi is right now undertaking a tour. As you can see on your screen, just a moment ago, Prime Minister Modi was laying wreath at the Adwa monument, and currently is taking a tour of the museum. It is a modern and significant cultural complex. It honors the 1896 Battle of Adwa. This is where Ethiopian forces defeated the Italian invaders, securing Africa's resistance to colonialism. Remember, it is the string of colonialism and the fight against colonial invaders which ties India as well as African nations. Their connect and their shared struggle against colonizers is what has played a major role in strengthening the ties between India and African nations. Ethiopia happens to be a part of those nations as well. And currently, visuals is showing you Prime Minister Modi paying tribute and laying wreath at the Adwa monument, as well as taking a tour of the museum. It's a part of his three-nation tour. Currently, he happens to be in the capital city of Ethiopia. This is where we're getting you live visuals. It is the city of Addis Ababa, where Prime Minister currently is right now. And on your screen, you can see Prime Minister interacting with the top officials, taking a tour of the museum, as well as paying a tribute and laying wreath at the Adwa monument. Now, viewers, to also give you more information, this Adwa monument that we're talking about and that Prime Minister happens to be taking a tour of is in fact a modern, significant cultural complex. It honors the 1896 Battle of Adwa. This is where Ethiopian forces defeated Italian invaders. It is in fact a moment of decolonization, a symbolic fight of Africa against colonial invaders. And this is what Prime Minister Modi seems to be honoring. Remember, the fight against colonial invaders is something that ties India to African nations as well, because it was a shared struggle that India and several African nations went through. And today, of course, Prime Minister Modi, with those symbolic acts, strengthening and honoring that factor that has played a major role between India and African nations. Visuals on your screen are showing you Prime Minister Modi's interaction. Now, let's also talk about this monument, viewers, where Prime Minister Modi is currently undertaking a tour. This Edwa Victory Memorial and the museum in the capital city, it is a major cultural site that commemorates the historic 1896 battle. This is a major battle where Ethiopian forces decisively defeated their Italian invaders. So it played a major role in Ethiopia's anti-colonial movement, not just in the country but also globally as well, in inspiring other anti-colonial movements across the world. In fact, when we talk about this museum, and as you can see, Prime Minister Modi taking a tour and looking at these artifacts. So it showcases architecture, artifacts, statues of commanders, which celebrates Ethiopian unity, courage, and also this pan-African heritage that we talk about. It is in fact a landmark built to honor never being colonized. Remember, it is something that India and several African nations also share. Their fight, their collective struggle against colonial invaders. And Prime Minister Modi there honoring that major factor in the ties between the two countries. So it's a symbolic site when we talk about Africa's collective resistance to colonialism. And there Prime Minister Modi undertaking a tour of that Edwa Museum, as well as paying tribute and laying wreath at the monument and the memorial. It's a symbol of a decolonization. It's a major cultural site that talks about the struggle against colonialism. And as I said before, when it comes to India as well as African nations, they have been together in their struggle against colonial invaders, and this goes way back as well. So there, of course, Prime Minister Modi taking a very symbolic visit to these sites. As you can see on your screen right now, also interacting with officials and engaging in cultural activities. Taking a look at the artifacts and, of course, the museum, which talks about this major battle that was fought against Italian invaders by Ethiopian forces. Now, let me also share some facts about this victory memorial, viewers. It is built in the heart of the capital city, and it has emerged as one of the major new tourist spots, in fact. It is also a preferred destination for history buffs who are looking at this battle of Edwa. It talks about Ethiopian fighters, and in fact it showcases a variety of statues, weapons, uniforms and personal items which belong to these patriots who fought in this 1896 Battle of Edwa. This building, in fact, right now, which Prime Minister Modi is taking a tour of, it houses several displays encompassing multiple amenities, including conference hall, multi-purpose buildings, amphitheaters and a library. But of course, the message being there about India and African nations collectively sharing their struggle in the fight against colonial invaders. And Prime Minister Modi highlighting that with his visit to both of these sites, the memorial as well as the monument, which talks about, in fact, the Battle of 1896 and showcases Africa's resistance to colonialism.